τους 70. Τις εργασίες του συνεδρίου άνοιξε με την ομιλία του ο ηγέτης της οργάνωσης από το 1989.
Again, we have some people from the media here. I want you to know that we never invite them.
Ο πάστορας Τόμ Ρομπ είναι ο επωνομαζόμενος εθνικός διευθυντής. Στην παραδοσιακή ιεραρχία της Ku Klux Klan είναι ο Μέγας Μάγιστρος.
Has anybody seen my crystal ball? Sometimes people kind of want to know what the future is going to hold. So I hold my crystal ball, but there's a problem. I can't see, it's black. No, I didn't mean that as a pun. It works anyway.
Ο αρχηγός της Ku Klux Klan υπερασπίζεται τη λευκή φυλή και την κληρονομιά της, δοξάζει το Θεό και το αμερικανικό έθνος, αποκηρύσσει τη βία και ισχυρίζεται ότι δεν ξέρει τι σημαίνει ρατσιστής.
What is a racist? You tell me what it is? I don't know. I had to, you know, somebody calls me a racist.
Tell me that nobody has called you racist.
Yeah, but I don't know what they mean by it. What do they mean by it?
You just don't want to answer the question.
Oh, I'll answer it if I find out what it means. I have to know what it means. I don't know. What does it mean? Tell me what it means.
I'm here asking the questions.
But I have to know.
Supposed to give the answer.
I have to know what the word racist. I have to know what the word racist.
If you don't know the definition of the racist, or you don't have your personal definition of the racist, I'm not the one who's going to give you one.
Well, I don't. Well, you asked me about race. I don't know. You have to tell me what you mean by.
So when the people call you a racist, you don't ask them back what you mean.
Well, I ask what they mean. Yeah. What do you mean?
How do you characterize yourself?
I'm a grandpa. I've got 3 kids. I've got 7 grandchildren, and I'm a man who loves my country and my heritage, my nation, my family.
Patriot.
And I'm a patriot. And I'm a spokesman for our people. That's what I am.
Nationalist? Is it a definition that it's closer to your beliefs?
I'm a white nationalist. In other words, I love America, but I understand that my nation is all my people. Whether they live here, whether they live in Europe, or Australia, or New Zealand, or South Africa, my race is my nation. Unless it's a political organization, but you know a lot of.
What are the terms and the conditions for somebody to join the Klan?
There's 2 conditions. They have to be white, and they have to be Christian.
How do you define white?
Well, I mean, people know they're not white if they're not white. I think people know that.
What about Obama?
Well, he's not white. He said he's a mutt. You know, so he's a mutt according to his. A definition. A mutt is a mongrel and a mixed breed, and some of not pure stock, and some is not a pure stock. What are they? They are impure. When he says I'm a mutt, he's saying I am impure, and that's his accusation.
Everybody look at their arm, okay? Now, what color is your skin?
White.
White, okay.
Η Rachel Pendergraft είναι η κόρη του Thomas Robb, αλλά και το δεξί του χέρι στους υπότες της Ku Klux Klan. Υποστηρίζει ότι η οργάνωση έχει διεθνή απήχηση.
The Klan encompasses many, you know, it's our race, but we encompass many different political beliefs that a vast majority of people around the world agree with.
Do you get emails from other countries?
Yeah, absolutely.
Greece?
Yeah, we get emails from Greece.
What do they tell you?
They tell us that they're tired of being invaded from North Africa.
Sometimes we don't understand that our physical land and soil in the United States is actually at risk of being destroyed.
Ο Thomas Robb έχει τοποθετήσει το γιο του Jason, δικηγόρο στο επάγγελμα, στη θέση του νομικού συμβούλου. Ήταν και αυτό στο συνέδριο, με τη στολή του. Την ψυχαγωγία των συνέδρων είχε αναλάβει το συγκρότημα Heritage Connection. Το αποτελούν οι 2 κόρες της Rachel Pendergraft και εγγονές του αρχηγού. Η 16χρονη Selby και η 18χρονη Charity.
Defend. Then Aryan battle
any specific artist?
Person, artist? No. It's just everything.
Okay, let me drop you some names. Madonna.
No.
Why not?
Because her music is very,
It doesn't express any like Christianity or deep feelings or anything. It's just like it's emotionless.
It's emotionless. It's unchristian. It's very sexually suggestive. It's not Christian. It's it's demoralizing.
Mm-hmm. Michael Jackson is out of the question.
Yes.
Yeah, totally out.
Κάποιοι από τους ένστολους άνδρες και γυναίκες που παρακολουθούν το συνέδριο ανήκουν στο επιτελείο των υποτών και έχουν αναλάβει την επιτήρησή μας. Φροντίζουν να μην βιτεοσκοπούμε πρόσωπα. Εφαρμόζουν πιστά τις εντολές του Τόμας Ρομπ για περιορισμένες λήψεις και εξασφαλίζουν ότι η κάμερα βρίσκεται στο έδαφος με το φακό στραμμένο προς τον τοίχο στις ομιλίες που δεν πρέπει να καταγραφούν. Ένας από τους επιτηρητές μας είναι ο Ντέιβιτ από τη Βόρεια Καρολίνα.
We wear a uniform shirt, the white shirt with black tie. We wear the blood drop patch that has been worn since the Second Era Klan first came back in 1915 by Colonel Simmons.
What does it mean?
It's essentially Celtic cross. You can see the 4 Ks for Knights of the Ku Klux Klan. It's got a blood drop, basically representing the blood of Jesus Christ. This is the Knights Party banner in a flag patch, you know. It's got the cross wheel in the center, the sun wheel, some people call it. That's a symbol that's been in every white Aryan culture that's ever been found, that symbol's been represented. So we adopted that. We put that in there. Pastor Rob designed that flag in the early to mid 80s, 1984, I believe. So that's our party patch.
Όπως ο Ντέιβιτ, έτσι και ο Ράντι από το Τενεσί φοράει και αυτός με περηφάνεια τη νέα στολή της Ku Klux Klan. Είναι επικεφαλής της οργάνωσης σε 4 πολιτείες. Είναι επίσης υπεύθυνος για τη στρατολόγηση νέων μελών, αλλά και οπαδός της οπλοκατοχής.
Basically, with joining the Knights, I've become an activist. I've actually, get off the couch and actually do stuff. I mean, I do the literature distributions. I do public access TV. I ran for political office and won. I think I've done quite a bit in this, short amount of time that I've been with the Knights in 7 years.
I really believe there's only one true definition of endurance, and that is the Knights of the Ku Klux Klan.
Η Σέρι Στιούαρτ έχει 4 παιδιά και 2 εγγόνια. Μετακόμισε πρόσφατα στο Άρκανσο για να εργάζεται στο στρατηγείο της οργάνωσης.
There's a lot of reasons I'm here, but I think one of the biggest reasons to join with any group, and it's not just in the United States, my biggest is your personal rights, your self-preservation, to protect your family, to own a gun, to be able to protect yourself from the criminals. If they want to call me a racist, that's fine. It doesn't bother me. I've been called worse. I've been called better. I am a proud white Christian mom, and if that's how they translate it, that's their issues, not mine.